Hey you guys, it is me, Laura, with scrapsoфencouragement.com, and I am here today with our December paper pumpkin, day by day. And I kind of have a clue what's in here, but let's open it up and go with you guys and see. I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Just 5 days until Christmas. My kids are so excited. So, to our kit this month, we have this stamp set. Let me show you. Let me get some paper to put it on so you can see. This stamp set is a bunch, oh goodness, I'm making a mess over here. A bunch of fun shapes. Let's see if I can get the light on here a little bit better for you so you can see a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay, so you can see here this says hello. Every day is a fresh start, and then it's got these stripes and a filled in dot and a kind of checkery dot and these fun shapes and just a bunch of random shapes. And then it comes with Pool Party Stampin' Spot and a Grapefruit Grove Stampin' Spot, and this is one of the colors that I don't have yet, so I am happy to have that. And then we open it up. We have our traditional, let's see, pool party. All right. So this month we are getting a kit instead of cards to make. Now, it's very common for the December paper pumpkin kit to be something calendar-y themed, kind of New Year thought. So I am going to show you what is in this one, but I'm not actually going to put it together with you right now. I will explain to you why. This kit is perfect. Can you guys see okay? I feel like the lighting is not very good, but this kit is perfect to put together with kids, and I am actually going to put this together with my boys in the next few days as a Christmas gift for someone. I'm not going to tell you who, but I will show you what it comes with. It comes with these stickers. These are stickers that are just plain Whisper White stickers. Comes with these tags, which we will be using for Christmas presents this year to and from. I have not had time to make my own tags, unfortunately. So it comes with 10 tags. It comes with this really cute little box that you can put your finished product in. It comes with some Whisper White Baker's Twine. This is some beautiful pool party ribbon. A lot of it, so I don't think you really need all of it for this project, so you can do lots with this. There is, this is the holder piece. So basically what you do is you put everything in order, and then you put this on and you tie your ribbon around here, and these guys, you use your stamps to decorate these stickers, and then one goes at the top of each month. So you're kind of decorating your calendar, and when you're all done, it will look, let me get out the instructions, it will look like this. Ta-da! And what I'm going to do is I am going to post a video for you guys from Stampin' Up, or from the Paper Pumpkin people, showing you how to put it all together. It's pretty easy, it's pretty fun, but like I said, I really want to do this one with my kids. Coordinating colors with it are Daffodil Delight, Grapefruit Grove, Gray Granite, Night of Navy, and Pool Party. So if you have those colors, you can do even more with it. So what I will do though is I will show you. My kids are 8 and 6, and then my 1-year-old is not going to. My 12-month-old will not be helping with this, but they are both going to help me put this together. And I will show you pictures, and I will also, especially with this stamp set, be making lots of alternatives that I will be posting on my blog. Paper Pumpkin usually gives card kits. Every once in a while they don't, and they try to let us know. So this month they let us know that this is not going to be a card kit, and I believe next month is also going to be treat bags, which is very typical in January because they want you to have treat bags for the classrooms or whatever needs you might have for Valentine's Day. And the cool thing about Paper Pumpkin is if you really only want cards, you can just log onto the website and choose to skip a month. But have no fear, have a project for you today. So since I knew that I wanted to save that paper pumpkin to do with my kids, I thought it would be a good time to bust open the Precious Parcel Card Kit. Now this card kit is not yet available. It will be available starting January 3, I believe, as a celebration reward. So if you order $50 in product from any of the catalogs, you can get this card kit for free, and it makes 8 cards. So I thought I would go ahead and bust this open and make one of each with you. And the reason I haven't opened it is because I want to show you guys how easy these kits are. Like, you really don't have to prep for them. I haven't seen this one put together. This is my first time looking and seeing what all is in here. But it's really easy. So if you want to do a craft project with your kids, or if you're short on time but want to do crafting, like, this is a really good option if you just need everything available. So it comes with the directions, which are photo directions too, it looks like, some of them, and it says everything it comes with. The coordinating colors are crushed curry, early espresso, grapefruit grove, lovely lipstick, mossy meadow, pool party, soft seafoam, and whisper nut white. And they have a video putting it together. And so I guess this is pretty much it. So I have my stickers here. I have these little paper clips here. See that? Ooh. Oh, my light died. That's why it got darker. Okay, well, I'm sorry guys, the lighting is not going to be amazing, but I'll charge that up and get it fixed for next time. So paper clips here, and then we have these little flowery inserts that it looks like go with the light color base. And we have these postal inserts that go with the dark color base, and we have these gold edge stickers. Okay, and so these come in different languages. Sending wishes, I think this is in French. Sending note, and I think this is also in French. So you can get French or English. If you have any French speaking friends, you can impress them. And then it comes with these really fun envelopes for all of them. So if I look at the instructions here, says that I take the card base, and I open it up. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these strips off here. Can you guys see these strips? Just take these off and fold them over. Then I'm gonna fold the card. Oh, did I do that right? I think so. Oh no. Yeah, I did that right. Okay, so I fold that, and then the card, it has a little cutout there. So it's gonna go through that cutout. Okay, I see. I see, I'm getting it, I think. Yeah, there we go. Then I'm gonna fold this over. There. There we go. So there's a card base. And then I'm gonna take, this is the dark one, so I take this guy. Oh, I think I shouldn't have done that first. Yeah. Okay, note to self. Punch all these little thingies out. Probably don't want to fold it over first. Okay. So there we go. Let's go ahead and get our little ribbon and put that in there. So I'm going to cut my ribbon scissors. Cut just a little bit of that off. And I'm going to stick it through. Like I said, it would have been easier if I did this before I closed up the back. But that's why I'm doing this for you, so I can figure out all of these little tricky parts. And it's that much easier for you. There we go. Get that side in. We're gonna get that side in, but we'll do better with the second one because we'll know better because we've done this already. So what are you guys' plans for Christmas? Are you staying home? Are you traveling? Are you going to be with family? Would love to hear what you have going on. Oh, goodness. There we go. All right, so we have that through. Like I said, that would be much easier if I didn't close it. You'll see on the next one. Okay, so then I'm just going to tie a bow, and I have to tie my bows upside down, because if I don't tie them upside down, then they are upside down when I'm done. I know, it seems really silly. I'm not sure why that is, but it makes my tails go in the right place if I tie them upside down. So that's what I do. Okay, so, oh, how cute. All right, so there's the bow. And then I take this guy and stick him right in there. So you can write on that if you'd like. And I need 2 of these guys to go down at the bottom. Oh, I should probably put that a little lower. If you look closely, there's a little raised edge, and I think it's supposed to line up there. So that's what I'm doing. There we go. This goes down more, I think. Yeah, this can go down like that. And then we need our little stamp. Now this is not sticky, this is just like a cardboard cutout. And that is why we have these guys to go on them, like, oh, maybe this one, yeah, this flower, this pink flower, if you're, well, I guess it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I try and match things super well, and sometimes it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, so there you go. So you got this. You can pull it out. Ta-da! And you can write on there. Put a gift card there. Oh, how cool would that be to attach a gift card? I don't know if you saw that. Okay, but I thought that that would be all the card there was, but it looks like you can write there. Nifty neato, how cute is that? So there's that, and then you can put it in your little envelope. Oh, adorable. Okay, let's try the other one. Now that we've done one, let's see if this, oh, no, we're not done yet. Look at me. I forgot the sticker. So this can say sending love or sending wishes. Ooh, it's actually got sending a note, sending wishes, sending love, sending thoughts. And then it's got another language there. Oh, so it's got, I don't know, is that German? I don't know what that is. Okay, so we are going to take one of these and we are going to stick it right there. Okay, see, there's that line to help us line it up straight. Okay, there we go. Now it's done. Now it's done. And now it goes in there. So see, that was super easy. So now that we've done our first one and figured out all the things that we didn't do correctly, we can do number 2. So first we're going to poke these out. And then we're going to tie our bow. Because, yeah, this will be easier. See how much easier this is going to be? Just bloop. Wow. So much better. And bloop. There we go. Oh, there. I do not have nimble fingers. I know that people think that crafters a lot of times do, but I have kind of chunky, clumsy fingers. I just do. So a lot of this really intricate small stuff, it's kind of hard for me, but I do it and it turns out okay. So if I can do it, you can do it. Because it's really not easy for me. Okay. So we're going to get this. My mother-in-law is with my kids right now. She doesn't know that I'm doing a live video. She just knows that I'm downstairs working on stuff. So if they barge in, I'm sorry. Not their fault. I did not tell them. I did not give them proper warning. Okay, so I'm going to trim these off a little bit because that end of that one's a little bit frayed. So see, this is a smaller bow. How cute. Okay, so good. We've got the bow, and then we can go ahead, pull off the back here. Now, and this would also be a lot easier. I'm standing right now so that I can make sure that what I'm doing is in the video, and that is not the easiest way for me to craft. It's not standing. So, yeah. Just know that this is going to be easier than I'm making it look. Alright, so now we have that. Woohoo! Okay. So, the inside of this one is this beautiful flower. So we can pop that in. I'll pop it down as far as it'll go, and then it pulls out. And we're going to put with it Sending Dove. Nope, sorry. I read it wrong. Sending Wishes. I am tired, y'all. I have not been getting much sleep. My poor baby is having GI problems. We unfortunately have issues like that run in our family. But we thought that she was in the clear, and she is having issues. So we did some testing that came back negative, which is really good. So we're thinking the main problem she has is reflux related. So we started her some meds for that, and they say it'll take a few weeks to see real improvement. But we are tired. She is up almost all night, very uncomfortable. So my husband and I take shifts, and we're not getting much sleep. So hence the crazy typos you're seeing and the funny words and why I am not reading things entirely properly. I am tired. All right, there we go. Oh, how cute. So these are the cards you get. You can write a message there or put a gift card there. And then you also have space inside to write more of a message. And I think that's adorable. So if you're not a big message person and you just want it to be like this, you could probably fold this part over and just stick the back to, no, that wouldn't work. No, you got to do it this way. You could chop it off though if you wanted to, because I know some people don't like writing really long messages. But there you go. That is the Precious Parcel Card Kit, and this kit makes 4 of each of these, so 8. And you can get it for free with Celebration, which is super cool. And that starts on January 3. And if you don't have a catalog and you would like one, let me know. I'm happy to send you one. And that is pretty much it. I think I'm going to see if my kids want to help me with the rest of this. If they don't, that's fine. I'll have fun putting it together. And I'll have fun sending these out because these cards are super cool. I really like them. But yeah, if you have Precious Parcel or are planning to get Precious Parcel or just think it looks really cool, I would love to hear below how you're using it. These would also be really great to do if you like to do things with older people, like at a nursing home or something. This would be really fun. I would go ahead and do the strings ahead of time, but everything else should be right, easy, good to go. So I think that is it for today for you guys, and I just hope that you guys are having a great week and are enjoying Christmas break, winter break starting, and all the fun festivities of whichever holiday that you celebrate. And I will see you guys back here again soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.